61% of marketers say that lead generation is their top challenge. That being said, only 4% of companies are currently leveraging a data-driven lead generation strategy. 4%. But those 4% are outperforming their peers by 500% in terms of sales productivity and efficiency. It's clear that the stakes are high. Your business can't afford to fail at lead generation. But lead generation is complex. It's not as simple as 10 levers that are guaranteed to generate new clients and unlock new growth for your business. In fact, lead generation is actually dozens, if not hundreds of levers that need to be pulled intermittently and at different stages of the buyer's journey to drive optimal impact. At Vendasta, we work with over 30,000 B2B companies around the world, so we have an intimate understanding of how these businesses use lead generation tactics to drive their success. We use this knowledge to compile the most comprehensive guide to lead generation available to marketers today. Here were some of our most valuable findings and learnings. LinkedIn is the holy grail to all B2B lead generation. In fact, 80% of all B2B leads originate from the platform for business professionals. Secondly, product-led growth, a strategy that was once reserved for software as a service companies, is now being enabled to most B2B companies through strategic technological partnerships. Thirdly, value-driven sales are the secret language of lead generation. Content-based mediums like blogs, webinars, podcasts, these are among the most powerful weapons in any lead generation strategy if properly deployed. 82% of Americans seek recommendations before making a purchase. Infiltrating these social circles with dedicated affiliate and referral marketing programs is one of the most powerful mechanisms for influencing purchase decisions. And the future of lead generation is going to be a story of personalization. New intelligent applications are making it possible to achieve personalization at scale. And these advancements will define the future of digital marketing delivery. The fact is simple. Lead generation is critical to the survival of your business. These are just a few of our findings. So if you'd like to find out more about winning lead generation strategies and where we're heading over the next decade, then check out the link in the description and download your free copy of the Fundamental Guide to Lead Generation.